Hi, my name's Carl Mace, and I'll be teaching you how to make a simple knife out of rebar in 3 easy steps. Here's what you'll need: an anvil, a couple bags of charcoal, motor oil, long handle pliers or tongs, a steel wire brush, at least a 2-pound hammer, a file, a modified hairdryer, and a belt sander. The first step is forging out the steel. Place your rebar on the forge and wait for it to get a yellow-red color. Then take it out and use the steel wire brush to take off any slag or impurities. Hammer out the steel like I am here. Once you have a flat side on the rebar, flip it over so you do not gain any bends in the rebar. Never let the steel get any cooler than a cherry red color. Continue this process until you have a flat edge to work on. Do not be light with the steel at first. It takes a lot to move it. Don't forget to add charcoal to your forge so it's burning hot. Eventually, when the rebar is flat enough, you'll need to hammer the sides down to keep the rectangular shape of the billet. Continue this process until you feel that the knife is thin enough and wide enough. Check your body. The second step is grinding down the blade. This process will take a long time and be very tedious. First, start at the sides to take off some of the meat that will not be needed for the overall blade. Then you will need to work on your point, which will take a very long time, so make sure you are ready for it. This point probably took me about half an hour to make. Next, you want to sand out your bevel. Hold the knife at an angle and grind on the edge. Do this on both sides until you see no flat surfaces on the knife edge. It'll look something like this. The third and final step is heat treating the steel. You'll know it was hot enough if you run a magnet along the side of it and it does not stick. Quench the steel in motor oil and make sure it's in a metal container. A plastic container will melt when the flames light. Leave it in the motor oil until the flames die down to a minimum. After quenching, polish and sharpen the blade and it will be all set. And that's how you make a rebar knife with 3 easy steps. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.